In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Big Cartel, exploring some helpful tips and tricks along the way. Managing your store and showcasing your products is crucial, especially for artists and small business owners looking to make their mark online. So let's dive into setting up your product listings efficiently. Start by navigating to Big Cartel's homepage. This platform is beautifully streamlined, designed to be a seamless experience for both artists and small entrepreneurs who want to bring their work to a larger audience. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. Next, enter your shop URL and password. If this is your first time logging in, ensure you have these details handy. They act as your key to accessing all the wonderful features Big Cartel offers. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click login again. Now that you're in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your centralized hub where all the store management magic happens. From here, look for the products section. It's usually located on the top menu or on a sidebar. Click on it to view your current inventory or to manage existing listings. To add a new product, find and click on the plus add product sign. At this point, you'll begin creating a fresh listing. First, let's tackle the visual aspect. Add an image of your product. Quality images can make a huge difference, so ensure the photo is clear and well lit, showcasing your product in its best light. With the image set, it's time to give your product a name. Type in a descriptive yet concise name that encapsulates what your product is all about. Following that, enter a detailed product description. This is your opportunity to communicate to potential customers why your product is special. Highlight its features or tell a story that connects emotionally with your audience. Proceed by clicking on Categories. Select an appropriate category that fits your product type, ensuring it's easily found by those browsing your store. Once you've chosen the category, click Done to confirm your selection. Now let's move on to the pricing section. Enter a price that reflects the value of your product, considering both production costs and market strategizing. Additionally, if you have different versions or sizes, click Add Variant to specify these options. Afterward, turn your attention to shipping details by clicking Shipping. Here, input the countries you'll be shipping to along with the associated fees. Clear and accurate shipping information reassures customers and decreases cart abandonment rates. Finally, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Once satisfied, click the Save button to add your product to your store, and there you have it, you've successfully added a new product on Big Cartel. Keep practicing these steps, and in no time managing your store will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.